Bakers, for this week's technical challenge, you must create a nutritious soil.
So, to make our delicious soil, we're going to need to combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, we're going to add organic matter. So I've got that here. Leaves, animal dung or wood would work just as well. Now this is going to really help with the moisture, crumb and soil structure. So now I'm going to add in the mineral particles, which are broken down from parent material in bedrock, and that includes sand, silt and clay. And our raising agent, which is the biological activity of the soil. So this includes roots and the microbiome. As this develops, carbon's going to be incorporated. So we've got that here. Now we've got our basic soil batter. This mix is great for storing carbon, supporting crops, maintaining a healthy structure, and improving water infiltration and retention. But I just enjoy it with a cup of tea. Now, since soils are varied, you'll find many twists on the classic. Let's add some regional variation to the mix. We've got some stones and some mineral flavouring. Going in.
Bakers, you have hundreds and thousands of years left.
Okay, that's not ideal. I prefer a few million years. We'll need a temperate climate for this one. And a hilly landscape. And it's ready to bake. There you have it. A perfect mix of mineral particles, organic matter, climate and time to make a delicious, healthy soil.